Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best solid nail tips gel is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in at-home manicures, offering a durable, long-lasting, and incredibly natural-looking alternative to traditional gel or acrylic extensions. These pre-shaped tips, crafted from a unique solid gel formula, adhere seamlessly to your natural nail, providing instant length and strength without the mess or extensive curing time associated with traditional methods. Imagine achieving salon-quality, chip-resistant nails in a fraction of the time, right from the comfort of your own home, making them a game-changer for anyone seeking a flawless manicure with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. Ranrose Long Straight Soft Gel Nail Tips. Achieve a flawless full cover look with these soft gel nail tips. They provide a perfect base for your acrylic nail designs. Find your perfect fit with 12 available sizes, ensuring a comfortable and professional application every time. Get salon-quality results at home. These tips come pre-shaped in a chic, straight XXL design. They are ready to apply, saving you time and effort. The half-matte finish offers a unique and stylish look. It's ideal for creating sophisticated press-on nail extensions. Made for durability, these tips are perfect for acrylic nail extensions and press-on applications. Enjoy long-lasting beauty and style. Transform your nails with these easy-to-use false nail tips. They are designed for quick and beautiful nail extensions. What we like. If you're looking for a classic, elegant nail extension, these are a fantastic choice. Their long, straight shape offers a sophisticated look that's perfect for any occasion. With 240 tips in 12 sizes, you're sure to find the perfect fit for a seamless application, making them ideal for those who want a consistently polished appearance. What people say. The tips are very thin and flexible, making them easy to apply and blend with the natural nail. They are pre-shaped and come in a variety of sizes, which saves a lot of time during application. The gel material is durable and doesn't chip or break easily, providing a long-lasting manicure. Number 4. SAVILAND 500 PCS Clear Press on Toe Tips Pedicure Kit. Achieve salon-quality pedicures from the comfort of your home. This kit provides everything you need for a flawless finish. Get professional results with an easy application process. Perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals. This comprehensive set includes 500 clear press-on toe tips and a solid glue gel. It's everything you need for stunningly beautiful toes. The kit comes complete with a base and top coat for a durable and glossy finish. UV light is required for curing. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This pedicure kit is an ideal present for any woman who loves to pamper herself. Enjoy long-lasting results with our high-quality formula. Your toes will look great for weeks. What we like. For those wanting to perfect their pedicure, this set is a game-changer. It specifically targets toenail application, offering a complete kit with solid glue gel for a salon-quality finish at home. If you desire beautiful, extended toenails for sandals or just for personal confidence, this is the set you need. What people say. The tips are thin and flexible, making them easy to apply and blend. They are very strong and durable, holding up well to daily wear and tear. The pre-etched surface provides excellent adhesion for gel polish. Number 3. BTArtbox Solid Nail Gel. Discover the revolutionary solid nail gel from BTArtbox. It's designed for creating beautiful acrylic nails with ease. This innovative 3-in-1 formula is perfect for applying fake nails. Achieve a professional look effortlessly. Experience incredible strength and durability. It requires curing but provides over 28 days of wear. Its user-friendly design makes application simple. Get a salon-quality finish right at home. Enjoy stunning, chip-free nails for weeks. This gel ensures your manicure stays flawless for an extended period. What we like. If you're seeking a durable and user-friendly nail enhancement, this solid gel is your answer. Its 3-in-1 formula simplifies the process, and the impressive 28+ day wear means less maintenance and more enjoyment. This is perfect for busy individuals who want long-lasting, beautiful nails without constant touch-ups. What people say. The tips are very thin and flexible, making them easy to apply and shape. They adhere well to the natural nail and provide a strong, durable base for gel polish. The pre-etched surface ensures excellent adhesion without the need for excessive filing. Number 2. SAVILAND 30G Solid Nail Glue Gel. Discover the revolutionary SAVILAND Solid Nail Glue Gel, your new go-to for stunning, long-lasting nail enhancements. Experience salon-quality results right at home. Enjoy up to 30 days of wear without chipping, peeling, or discoloration. This formula is designed to stay put, keeping your nails looking flawless for weeks. Achieve an ultra-firm attachment that lasts up to 4 weeks. It securely bonds false tips and extensions, providing a strong and resilient hold that won't let you down. Enriched with castor oil and vitamin E, our 26-free formula is designed to protect your natural nails. It helps prevent breakage, brittleness, and dryness, keeping your nails moisturized. Experience a comfortable and painless nail enhancement process. It's formulated for UV LED lamps, ensuring a smooth application without any discomfort. Our non-sticky formula makes removal a breeze. When used with our special remover, it dissolves in just 5 seconds, offering a quick and convenient solution. What we like? For ultimate longevity and a healthier nail option, consider this solid nail glue gel. It promises up to 30 days of wear without chipping and features a plant-based formula enriched with castor oil and vitamin E. If you prioritize a strong, long-lasting hold while also caring for your nail health, this is the superior choice. What people say. These tips are very thin and flexible, making them easy to apply and blend with the natural nail. The pre-etched surface on the inside of the tips ensures excellent adhesion with gel. They are durable and don't easily chip or break, providing a long-lasting manicure. Number 1. Makartt 500 PCS Medium Almond Nail Tips. Discover the ultimate solution for beautiful, salon-quality nails at home. These medium almond tips offer a flawless finish every time. With 500 pieces in 10 different sizes, you'll find the perfect fit for every finger. Achieve a custom look with ease. These tips come pre-buffed for your convenience and are made from a soft gel that's easy to soak off. Enjoy a comfortable and flexible wear. Get a seamless, full-cover look without any unwanted creases. They provide a smooth canvas for your creativity. Achieve professional acrylic nail extensions right in your own home. Perfect for both salon professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Elevate your nail game with these versatile tips. They are ideal for creating stunning nail art and personalized designs. What we like? If you love the trendy almond shape and want a convenient application, these tips are for you. They come pre-buffed for a smooth finish and are designed for easy soak-off removal. This set is ideal for DIY enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with current nail trends and desire a professional look with minimal hassle. What people say. The tips are very thin and flexible, making them easy to apply and shape. They are pre-etched, which saves a lot of time during application. The gel formula provides a strong and durable hold, lasting for weeks without chipping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.